Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you something completely different, and this is a recipe what we usually do with rice left over. So if you have left over some rice, I will show you what we usually do. So, and I'm talking about this amount, or well, if you have even more, doesn't matter. We're gonna make an Asian recipe. Very simple. Just yeah, it tastes really good. I showed you all the ingredients. I apologize. Let me move you over here. I already chopped a red onion, one big carrot, firmed tofu, 300 grams, organic firmed tofu, some spring onions, green peas, apologize, and here I have 4 eggs with salt and pepper, which I'm gonna scramble. And this is what I'm gonna do first. I scramble the eggs. I turn on my heat on medium fire, and I'm adding into my pan. Apologize, I have to move you again, and I'm not gonna move you after that. So I'm adding a little bit of organic olive oil to do the eggs first. And then we're gonna take the eggs out. We're gonna remove them, sorry, from the pan. I'm using a big pan. You have to remove your eggs like as you do scramble the eggs. This recipe is idea of my husband. He's always doing that when we have rice left over. He loves actually to come into the kitchen and invent his own recipes. And I can tell they taste really good. Men have a good taste in the kitchen. Maybe not all of them, but I'm talking from my own experience here in my house. So, you do the eggs like that. This is about 2 minutes maybe, or less even. Alright, we have removed our eggs back into the bowl, and now we're adding sesame oil into the pan. Like that's maybe 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And what's next, Hector?
Just we add our carrots.
Onion and carrots goes first.
We mix.
The smell of the sesame oil is so good. It smells so lovely.
I really love the Asian food, So, and I don't want to spend all my money buy all the time. And I really love this rice.
Yeah, it's really good. You guys have to try it at home. It's so easy. Even if you don't have leftover some rice, you can just steam some rice and do it.
It's really easy. I don't want to be all the time in the kitchen, so I love to do this one.
So we stir that for about a minute or so, and then we add the tofu, right? Now carrots and onions are ready, and we are ready to add our tofu. I chopped it in small cubes, as you see. And we mix it all together to combine.
Gonna put some soya sauce.
Some soya sauce.
Okay.
To give the tofu some more taste. Now, while my tofu is cooking, in a small pot, I will boil the water to add some prawn gyozas. With vegetables to steam. So I have to wait for my water to boil. Let's give this a stir. You will leave the tofu for about 2-3 minutes. Alright, now we're ready to add our green peas. It's like about one cup. And our rice.
Echamos más.
We add it all. And we stir till it's all combined and warm. Till it gets a nice warm temperature. Now we're adding a little bit more of soya sauce. And I'm ready to add my gyozas into the pot to steam. The water is boiling. They are frozen gyozas. Just ready ones. I apologize. They are not handmade. And I'm gonna leave them with the lid closed for 4 minutes, 5 minutes, the gyozas. And now, once everything is all mixed and combined together, it's time for Hector's little secret. It's time to add 1 tablespoon, well, no, half tablespoon of plant-based butter.
It's gonna give them a lot, another
Taste. Sabor. Taste. Yeah.
You're gonna love this one. You should try.
Yeah, guys, try it and leave me your comments down below the video. Or let me know what you do with your rice, if you have any leftovers. Give me any new ideas. I'm always happy to receive your messages. And now, just like that, it's time to add the eggs. The eggs we did in the beginning. We stir for how long, Hector?
Doesn't need much time now, maybe a couple minutes.
Yeah, now everything is cooked. It only needs to be combined and warm to get together. Maybe I would say 3 minutes. Now 3 minutes have passed. It all has a nice temperature, and it's time to add our spring onions. Don't forget the spring onions. It's very important. They give the dish a whole such a different taste. Don't forget it. It's important. And you don't want to cook it. Actually, you can turn your heat off, your fire off. It's done now. You add the onions, the spring onions, just for the flavor. The final top touch. Sorry. Now this is ready. Let's close it with a lid. Let it rest for a little bit while our gyozas are still steaming. They are ready soon, and we're gonna serve in a bit.